Yo, what's up, guys? We out here. Got ourselves the Red Bull. Cheers. About to take the 109. Haven't done that in a long time. To the Friday Summer Car Show in Redondo Beach. Let's get it. There you go. Cheers again. Just waiting. It's been a long time. Throwback, right? Alright, let's get it. Here we go. There it is. 109. Riviera Village. I gotta go too, but it's right here. I know. Hello. There we go. Wow. Haven't done this in a long, long time. Stop requested. Stop requested. Yo, 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 we just arrived. Here we are. Let's get it. Car show time. I think it's classic cars. So, yeah. If you're into that, stay tuned. This truck, look at that. That's a lowrider. We got white walls, yellow wheels. Shipbox edition. Wow. Needs a paint job. Classic. Big hunk of metal. Look at that. That's pretty nice. Sun view. His trunk's open. All right, here we go. Car show time. That's right here. Looks like they're twins. Look at this old geezer right here. Muscle cars. Looks like they got a band going on here. Got some lowriders. Look at this one. It's primer, huh? Mustang. Got a band going on here. Look at that. Coming out. Here, Redondo Beach. Plays our concert. Oh, look at this engine right here. 289. That's a nice Mustang. Oh, we got this right here. Alright, Mustangs. Oh, look at the upholstery. They got some horses. Because it's a Mustang, that's why. You see that detail? Look at all these big hunk of metals. Look at that thing. Wow, really? Look at these little guys. Toyota Corolla. I guess that's how they used to look back then. Toyota. Wow. Yeah, that's how they used to come. Look at the little windshields. Alright, well, that's enough of that. Check this out. We got the C8 right here. C8. Hell yeah. Needs a bigger wing, though. Look at that. The C8. Oh, it's got a little, what is that, red lines right there? Yeah. Oh, look at this guy painting it? Oh, he is. Got a little art going on. Check that out. Painting the C8. There you go. Look at this hunk of metal right here. Mercury. For sale. Need some restoration. Here we go, Magic Bus.
You can get in that one and sit in it if you want.
Yeah? You want me to do that? Alright, sounds good. Far out. A little $100 bill on there. Wow. That's groovy, huh? I'm in it. Nice, spacious. this. Sorry, I'm going too fast as I can, huh?
I didn't overdo it. I went from 54 horsepower to 120.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Old guys rule. Yeah, I dig it. For sure, it's nice, yeah.
That's a generator. It runs my air conditioner on the inside.
Oh, yeah, is that what that is?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was looking at that.
Heated seats.
Uh-huh.
Bed.
Right.
Hydraulic clutch instead of the cable.
Right.
And I recently put power steering in it.
Oh, that's where it's at right there.
Because it's the only one that comes here with power steering.
Yeah, yeah.
And I had to design it all myself.
You did
Yeah.
that? Okay. Right on. That's what I'm talking about.
The people that make a power steering setup is in England somewhere.
Yeah.
They want a lot of money for it.
Oh, I bet they do.
It's so complicated to put in.
Absolutely.
Hardly anybody buys it.
Yeah, right?
I bought a unit, designed it all myself.
And you
put
did
it in without taking all the dashboard apart and everything.
Wow. Ingenuity.
So easy to steer, like this when it's sitting
Right,
still,
right, yeah.
Where it took all my
Yeah,
strength.
you had to go all around. Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah,
Right.
it worked out really good for me because I'm old and arthritic.
Oh. Yeah. Well, there you go. That's groovy. Nice. Absolutely. It's a classic. Oh, wow. Here we go. Look at this. Love this. Look at this Jag. Wow. What a beauty. Check this out right here. You got the wooden steering wheel. A bunch of little switches. Who knows what that does? Wow. Yeah, this got to be one of my favorites right here. Absolute beauty. Here we go. Look at this long car. Convertible, huh? Mr. J would love this. Look at that. They got a big trunk right there. This magic bus. Green. It's ugly, huh? Hello. Look at those wheels. What the hell? Porsche wheels? Oh my god, disrespectful. Look at the wheels. It's Porsche wheels. What the hell is that? It's a Porsche. I know, it's a Porsche engine. Well, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Yeah, right side. That's British for sure, huh? Look at these guys. White walls.
Hey, get in your door on this side, buddy.
Oh, look at this antique.
He didn't drive the speed wagon this time.
I think you gotta crank this to run it.
Dude, well, the door's shut here. What's
Wooden
going
wheels,
on?
I think.
That's a NASCAR.
Is it starting? Wow, look at this. It must be like a race car looking. Stingray. We got big fat tires. Wow, this is like a race car. There it goes. There we go. Oh, I know, it's weird looking, right? It's like, what's going on around here? Oh, I see a Rari. I see a Rari. Look at that thing. Ow. Let's see what we got going on here. We got the yellow squad going. So we got the Shelby Cobra. Shelby? What is this? What is it?
At 20, I made my goal of 100 miles an hour in the quarter with it.
That's rare.
Just gonna try and make it look a little bit nicer.
I could never get 100 in a quarter.
Look at that one.
No.
Yeah. Well, this one's custom, as you can tell. Usually they come in like that. Again, it is Italian. They got a new one? Let's go check out this old Ferrari right here on its own. He's all sad. This one's loud for sure. Models like this, they don't have the restrictions as they do nowadays. What would you rather have? You rather have it the roof on top, which kind of like it, like big head looking, or you want the you know, original looking with the convertible? Yeah, I think convertible. Oof. Beautiful. What the hell is this? Oh my gosh, look at that. Let's go ahead and take a closer look here. So we got some flames. We got the engine popping out. Inside we got extinguisher. And then look at that. Leather. Yeah. Ridiculous. You got the station wagon version. Alright, there you go. Put the whole family in that. More metal. This one looks like a nice convertible. Pontiac. Whoa, hell of a low rider. Whoa, you see that? Whoa, it's lifting up. All right. I was wondering how would they go over speed bumps. That's how they do it. Lifts. This little guy. Triumph. I kind of like this one. Sure is small though. Spitfire. Yeah. Look at these guys. Who's honking? Watch out for the lowrider. Cadillac. Bouncy bounce. That's a long car. Look at this honky junk. What the hell? Nasty. Okay, so the only Porsche I accept is right here. Only one. But then again, we love the 918. Uh-oh. What do we have here? LED lights. Oh, cool. Look at that. Look at this. Look at what's going on here. Long car. We're going smacky shot. Oh, he's good. Look at these ones. Here we go. Charger. Hot rod. This used to be Ruby's right here, but it was overpriced. Oh, look at that one. Wow. Flaming. Oh, here goes the Ferrari. Old fart in it. What we got going on here?
961-013.
Stingray.
961
Camaro, yellow Camaros.
961-013. Easy money.
Easy money. Well, I gotta say my favorite is that what was it, Pantera? Custom Pantera. That looked incredible, huh? And the Ferrari, of course. And what else did I dig? The C8. Oh, and the Jaguar, the classic Jaguar. Always. Here comes that ugly hot rod here. They took the lid off. Look at this Mustang right here. Put the lid off. Come on, man. Muscle cars.
How much they be sending it here?
Well, that's the thing, you know, these cars just don't make the noise as supercars do. So, I'm gonna have to put up the volume, right? While I'm editing. Full blast. Muscle car. Yeah, that one made some noise. Guys, whoa! Who's yelling around here? That's my job. All right. Anyways, so that was a you know, like a spontaneous car show, summer edition here in Redondo Beach. Okay, only happens during summertime. And we got the end of summer going on. So yeah, good thing we got here in time, right? Big ups, car shows, thumbs it up. We'll see ya. NateVlog signing out here in Redondo Beach, South Bay. Laters.